Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. So friends, in today's video we are going to talk about how you can hide the rating of like and dislike given below by users. People search how to hide dislike, but after watching today's video you will find a permanent solution to this problem. So keep watching the video till the end, and if you interested in this video, then like the video and subscribe to the channel. Then let's start the video. You have the option to go to YouTube Studio. This is currently in beta, but will become the standard as 2019 progresses. Go to the Videos tab where you'll see a list of your uploads, with the most recent first. Select the video that you want to amend the likes to dislikes count for, and then click on the Advanced tab at the top. Now there's just a very simple change required on this screen. If you scroll down, you should see a checkbox that says users can view ratings for this video. Something to take note of at this point is that, although the count is disabled, viewers can still like or dislike your video and that will be reflected in the video list on your analytics. Now let's take you to that video. Here you can see how the like and dislike rating given by the user has been hidden. I hope you enjoy this video. Till then, bye bye, see you in the next video.